Life as an immigrant in Canada. What to do after you arrive in Canada. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a returning viewer or here for the first time, I'm so excited to have you. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to successfully start your journey to Canada. Moving to Canada is an exciting step, but the first few weeks can feel overwhelming. You're in a new country with new systems, and it's natural to wonder, where do I start? In this video, I'll walk you through the most important things you need to do after arriving in Canada, step by step, so you can settle smoothly and confidently. Step 1. Secure accommodation as a newcomer. The very first thing every newcomer should consider is accommodation. If you're lucky enough to have family or friends in Canada, staying with them temporarily can make your landing much easier. But if you don't, it's smart to plan ahead by booking an Airbnb, a hotel, or a short-term rental before you even get on the plane. That way, you know you'll have a safe and reliable place to stay when you first arrive. Once you're in Canada, you can then focus on finding a permanent rental. A permanent address is important for many things, like receiving your PR card, opening a bank account, and enrolling kids in school. Keep in mind that landlords often ask for proof of income, references, or a credit history, which can be tricky for newcomers. Some may accept an employment letter or a larger security deposit instead, so be prepared. Step 2. Apply for your social insurance number, SIN. SIN number is essential because you need it to work legally in Canada, pay taxes, and access government programs like child benefits or employment insurance. Without a SIN, employers cannot hire you. As a new immigrant, you can apply in person at a Service Canada office with your passport and COPR, confirmation of permanent residence. The process is usually quick and free. You can also apply online if you already have your PR card. Remember to keep your SIN safe. Never share it casually, as it's tied to your financial identity. Step 3. Open a bank account. Opening a bank account is important not only to deposit any cash you brought with you but also to get access to Canadian debit and credit cards for everyday transactions. Most major banks, like RBC, TD, Scotiabank, CIBC, and BMO, offer special newcomer packages with little to no fees. These often include perks like free international money transfers or rewards points. Having a bank account also helps you start building your Canadian credit history, which is crucial for renting apartments, buying a car, or getting a mortgage later on. If you can, apply for a secured credit card right away to begin establishing your credit. Step 4. Apply for the Canada Child Benefit. If you're immigrating with children under 18, one of the most important benefits you should apply for is the Canada Child Benefit, also known as CCB. This is a monthly tax-free payment from the federal government that helps families cover the cost of raising kids. The amount depends on your family's income and the number of children you have. To apply, you'll need your SIN, your children's documents like birth certificates, and your Canadian bank account details for direct deposit. You can apply online through your CRA, Canada Revenue Agency, account, or by filling out Form RC66. The earlier you apply, the sooner you'll start receiving payments. For many families, this benefit makes a big difference in covering monthly expenses. Step 5. Your mobile phone and internet. Staying connected is essential for job hunting, navigation, and accessing services. Get a Canadian SIM card or mobile plan as soon as possible. Popular providers include Rogers, Bell, and TELUS, while budget-friendly options like Freedom Mobile, Chatter, and Public Mobile are great for newcomers. Having a local number makes it easier for employers to contact you, and many settlement agencies also require it when helping you register for services. Make sure to use this number for two-step verification on your important accounts, like banking and government services, to keep your information secure. Step 6. Apply for provincial healthcare coverage. Canada is known for its public healthcare system, but to use it, you need to be registered in your province. Healthcare is free once you're covered, but some provinces have a waiting period of up to 3 months before coverage begins. Apply early, and consider temporary private insurance if needed. Once approved, you'll receive a health card that ensures you won't face expensive medical bills. Each province has different requirements. For example, Ontario requires proof of residence, while Alberta's coverage starts immediately. Knowing your province's rules will help you avoid gaps in coverage. Step 7. Enroll children in school. Schools in Canada are assigned based on the area where you live. Once you've secured permanent housing and applied for healthcare, you can register your kids at the nearest public school. Education is free, and the system is known for being inclusive and supportive of newcomers. If your children need extra help with English or French, schools often provide ESL, English as a second language, or FSL, French as a second language, support. Early registration helps avoid delays and ensures your children don't miss valuable class time. Step 8. Learn local transportation options. If you're not driving right away, get familiar with your city's public transit system. Most cities use reloadable transit cards like Presto in Ontario, Compass in BC, or Metrobus in Newfoundland. These cards make commuting easier and more affordable. Many cities also offer discounted passes for students or low-income residents. Learning the transit system early helps you save money and navigate confidently. 9. Get your Canadian driver's license. If you already have a license from your home country, you may be able to exchange it directly for a Canadian one, depending on where you're from. Countries like the US, UK, France, Germany, and Australia have agreements with some provinces, allowing direct exchanges. If your country doesn't have a direct exchange, you'll likely need to take a knowledge test and a road test. A Canadian license is more than just a way to drive, it also works as valid ID. If you can provide proof of driving experience from your home country, it may help reduce your car insurance costs. Having a Canadian license is essential for driving legally and starting to build your Canadian driving record. Step 10. Register for settlement services. Canada offers free newcomer services to help you adjust. These agencies provide job search support, resume workshops, housing help, and even free English or French classes. Look for organizations like YMCA, COSTI, Mosaic, ISS of BC, or your local immigrant center. Registering early connects you to mentors, networking opportunities, and resources that can make your settlement journey much smoother. Step 11. Prepare your resume in Canadian format. Finding your first job in Canada can be challenging. One of the best ways to improve your chances is by preparing a resume in the Canadian format. Employers expect a clear, 2-page layout without photos or personal details. It should highlight your skills, achievements, and relevant work experience. A strong LinkedIn profile also makes a big difference. Beyond just applying online, networking is crucial. Many jobs are filled through referrals. Attend job fairs, join professional associations, and don't hesitate to ask for guidance from settlement agencies. Step 12. Update your address with IRCC. If you're a permanent resident, your PR card will be mailed to the address you provided. If you move before it arrives, make sure to update your address with IRCC online. Failing to do this can result in delays or even lost documents, which can be very costly to replace. Step 13. Improve your language skills. Language proficiency is key to success in Canada. If English or French isn't your first language, consider enrolling in free government-funded programs like LINK, Language Instruction for Newcomers to Canada. These classes not only improve your communication but also prepare you for Canadian workplaces and daily interactions. Step 14. Learn Canadian culture and manners. Settling in Canada isn't just about paperwork, it's also about adjusting to Canadian culture. Small things like being polite, holding doors open, respecting cues, and saying, "thank you," or sorry go a long way in helping you integrate. Punctuality is also very important. These habits will make you feel more at home and help you build better relationships in your community and workplace. Step 15. Prepare for the weather. If you arrive in the winter, don't underestimate the Canadian climate. Winters here can be extremely harsh, especially in provinces like Manitoba, Alberta, or Quebec. Investing in proper winter clothing, like a down jacket, snow boots, thermal socks, gloves, and hats, isn't optional, it's essential. In summer, temperatures can be hot and humid, so you'll need lighter clothing as well. Being prepared for all 4 seasons will keep you comfortable year-round. Step 16. Take care of your mental health. The first few months can feel isolating. It's normal to feel homesick or overwhelmed as you adjust to a new culture and environment. Stay connected with loved ones back home, join community groups, or connect with other newcomers through settlement services. If you need extra support, Canada offers free or low-cost mental health resources, including hotlines and counseling. Taking care of your emotional well-being is just as important as handling paperwork. Life as a new immigrant in Canada comes with challenges, but if you take these steps in order, securing housing, getting your SIN, opening a bank account, applying for healthcare, enrolling kids in school, setting up your phone, learning transit, getting your license, registering for settlement services, preparing your resume, updating your address, improving your language, learning the culture, dressing for the weather, and caring for your mental health, you'll set yourself up for success. The first year can be tough, but with patience and persistence, it becomes one of the most rewarding journeys of your life. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Canada-related content, and share it with friends or family who are planning their move. And let me know in the comments, which of these steps do you think will be the hardest for you? Thank you for watching.